Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys two easy kitchen decors which you can make and decorate your kitchen. You can keep it on a dining table or in your kitchen. So today I'm going to make using some waste materials. I have used this empty container to make a beautiful decor piece. So for head we are going to take the foil paper, make it in a round shape and attach it to the lid of that container. Now to cover the surface I'm using Fevicryl molded clay. So here you can see guys, I have covered the head and the neck of the chick. Now what we'll have to do is we have to smooth the surface with water and then just give dimensions using any pen. Make eyes, little bit of clay, make it in a shape the way I have made and attach the eyes. So this will give a nice look if you do like this. And the beak, make it in a shape the way I have made. So now moving on, let's make a comb. So I am fixing it on the head. A bow to give a cute look. So the wings, you can make any type of wings guys, not necessary it has to be the same shape. So here I'm making feet. If this doesn't get attached, use Fevicryl guys. Now to make this sturdy, I have attached a small piece of cardboard below the feet. Now let's start coloring guys. So here I have used acrylic paints, Fevicryl acrylic paints. So the choice of colors is yours. You can choose any colors. Here I have chosen red and black. Guys, if you like my videos, if you like what I do, if you like my work, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestions, like any videos to be made in future, please comment down below. I'll try to make them. Now this is done guys, giving just final touch-ups. Guys, I changed the beak color to orange. This yellow was not standing out. So moving on guys. These cupcakes guys, these cupcakes are my so favorite. I wanted to make them from very long time. So I saw them on Chumbak. Since then I wanted to make them. So here I have taken 2 cups. These are toy cups. So filled them with paper and then started covering them with molded clay. So completely you have to cover. To smooth the surface guys, just dab water on your finger and just smooth it. So just giving the shapes. So this requires a good drying time guys. Once done, I left it to dry. I left it for a day. So similarly I made 2 of them just like this. So this is completely dried. So let's proceed to another step. So here I simply cut a shape of a flower. So I'm topping it on the cupcake just like this. Cherry on the top. So made a bow, made some strings and tried to make a bow. So this is done guys. So this is one more cup. So this is a shape of a cream floating. So here I made a small heart and decorated on top. Adding some sprinkles, small hearts. So this is completed, guys. This is completely dried. So this is ready to paint. Now let's start painting. So here I have chosen all pastel color, guys. So you can choose any color. These cupcakes can be decorated on the dining table, guys. It will give a beautiful look. Guys, when this is completed, please do not forget to seal it with varnish. This will keep the colors intact. I did it the next day because this has to dry. So this is all about, guys. Tell me, how did you like this? Please comment down below. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.